Jiangsu Tengtong Packing Machinery Company Limited was established in 1994, which is one of the professional enterprises in vacuum packing machine industry. The whole company consists of administration department, production department, technology department, new product design department, sales department, and financial department. We have devoted to developing, producing, and marketing of packing machinery. After more than 20 years fast development, Tengtong Company becomes professional producing enterprise of vacuum packing machinery in China, which takes the advantages of our strong technical staff force, up-to-date design knowledge, modern means of management, high accuracy, and meticulously service. We have advanced processing equipment, including Hans laser machines, bending machines, milling machines, stamping machines, which can ensure the quality of our vacuum packing machine. We have a young and energetic R&D technical team that can provide customers with the best packaging solutions. We offer a full range of vacuum packing machines, include thermoforming vacuum packing machines, continuous belt type vacuum packing machine, bag blowing machine, chamber vacuum packing machine, gas flush vacuum packing machine, floor models, table models, and etc. We can meet your various kinds of packing demand. Our advantage is customized vacuum packing machines. OEM and EDM are both welcomed. We strive to satisfy the production requirements of each customer. Clients with specific model preferences have full access to our customization services. Welcome old and new customers. Hold hands together for exploring and developing.